Hey, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to add drop shadows to things and do some scaling and modifying them. So let's jump in here. I selected this text here, and I'm just going to go to Effect, Stylize, and Drop Shadow. It's going to pull this guy up, and you can see I just put on a pretty standard like Photoshop style drop shadow. It's complete with blur and everything. It's really nice. You can adjust your offsets here to make it down and up more. You can blur more or less, and change the opacity, which is how see-through it is. And then your blending mode is what color the drop shadow kind of changes to or remains when you overlay it on different colors. So those are all a pretty standard issue for drop shadows. So one cool thing to do about text though in Illustrator is you can I'm just going to type some random letters, but you see that you can type and the shadow just goes right with it. And I wanted to show you this here. I'm going to just add the same shadow. You can just hit apply drop shadow since it was an effect, and it'll just do the same one. But that'll change any other effect you do put on there. But so now I see that I have this drop shadow here. Same method I use here. I'm going to go up here to Window and Appearance. I just want to show you that you can pop it open and edit it right there. Since once you add the drop shadow, it will show up in the Appearance panel, and you can access it. And the other final guy here is I'm going to show you scaling this thing. So if you double click on your scale thing and like that, boom. I left it alone because it just changes. It didn't change the size. It said 100% by 100. So if I drag this up, you're going to see that the drop shadow also got bigger, right? That's typically how Illustrator works. It's default like that. But if you don't have that on, I want to show you what happens here. It's not going to make it bigger. The scale of the circle will get bigger, but the drop shadow stayed the same. So it's actually kind of smaller compared to the circle now. So that's if you don't have scale and effects turned on. And you can actually access that here in settings and general, and it's right over here. Turn it back on and it'll stay like that permanently. So that's that with drop shadows and scaling them. So hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.